Welcome back, guys. Today we got some various Surging Sparks products that we're going to open up. See what we got. I think we got 12 packs. Hopefully we can get a couple hits. Really cool if we get a Pikachu. But let's go ahead, get into it. If you're new, hit subscribe. Let's get ripping. Alright, I think we'll start with the single packs. So, happy Saturday. Hope everyone's having a great weekend. Hopefully we can get some first pack magic on this. Alright. Buffalo, Phoebus, Tandemaus, Ninetales, Reverse Slakoth, Slakoth, Gholdengo, and a Hollow Zarude. Not what we were looking for. But yeah, I don't know if anyone's been having trouble finding Surging Sparks. I've only went one place so far, and the target around me had a decent amount. They only had one booster bundle though, so that's why I grabbed that one. I really wanted to do two in this video, but they only had one. It had like a smashed up corner a little bit, so it was in a random spot. Oh, why'd I put those there last time? Alright. Hopefully we get lucky today though. I know people have been having some pretty rough pull rates though. Hollow Chien-Pao. I didn't do a Lorcana video this week, but I'll have one next week. Just didn't get around to it. Esper, Shellos, Slakoth, I like the way that card looks. Hollow Landers. Well, nothing in the single packs. Let's go ahead and do this 3-pack blister. The Zapdos promo. Alright, get that open. Get this out. There's the promo. There's the code card. Which the promo looks really nice. I like it's got like a nice sparkle on the edges too. Let's throw that over there. Alright, let's see if we get lucky in this 3-pack blister. Usually I feel like I at least get one decent hit out of these. Duraludon, Marill, Drillbur, Quaxly, Terria, Braviary, Barry. I like the way those Tauros look too. Another Hollow Landers. Don't like seeing that anymore. Next week, we'll be opening that Pokemon Center Elite box. Elite Trainer box, probably. But this week we just wanted to do a couple random products. Let's see what we get. Woo, buddy! The Hydreigon. That's what? Man, that card looks nice. That is awesome. All right. 3-pack blister. Yeah. That's a dope card. Alright. Last pack. Yeah, I hope everyone's having a great day. My day's been alright. When I pull that, it's even better now. Reverse Morla, Reverse Lisa's Appeal, and a Hollow Zarude. Alright, last product, booster bundle. Some people don't seem to have luck with these. I've kind of had on and off luck, so I mean, Obviously, it just depends on which one you get. It's all a gamble. Alright. Let's see what we get. I always almost push those upside down every time. Whoop. Right there. 6 packs. Feel very stuck in place. Dusty. Alright, Pikachu pack. What you got? But yeah, I've heard this set is short printed. I don't know if that's true or not. Wouldn't be surprised though if they were trying to redo or reprint 151 and get going on the prismatic and all the other stuff. Wouldn't be doubtful that it's a short printed. I don't know why though, if they expected it to be kind of big. I mean, Pikachu and everything. Woo! Full art trainer. Blue and silver. I like that. Nice blue and white suit. Classic. Alright, vibing so far with this set. That code card is all busted. What? Kind of felt a little beat up. Another reverse Lisa's Appeal and another hollow Zarude. 4 to go. Although, pretty happy with those 2 pulls. But out of 12 packs, I'd like at least a couple more. That'd be great. Alright, Bronzor, Applin, Groudon. But yeah, this week's Lorcana video will be a Shimmering Skies Trove. Unless I get my hands on some of the Azure Sea before then. And a, alright, Archlodon EX. It's a hit. It's got a lot of shine, silver to it. Struggled to get that out. Three more. This metal card's pretty cool though. Just kicking it. Oh, Chin. Non-hollow Lisa's Appeal. Reverse Togepi. And hollow Togekiss. Looks like a setup. 2 more Pikachu and a Latios. Latios pack. Kind of both, but really just mainly a Latios pack. Drillbur, Quaxley, Zangoose, Corncario. Looking rough on the edges. Oh, is that something shiny back there? I'm not sure. These are rough on the edges. Code card. I don't know. I feel like they needed to sharpen their shears. Yeah, these code cards are. Ooh, I seen that. Definitely something in this pack. And there's the last pack, so as always, appreciate you guys for watching. Means a lot. Hit the like, really helps out. And if you're new and you haven't yet, hit subscribe. Appreciate it. Ooh, it's an ace pack. Ooh, and a Esperate. And a hollow Gouging Fire. Yo, double banger. What? Man, that Mesprit's nice. It's a vibe. That sunset vibe. It's like a summer vibe. Yeah, I like that card. I just love the pink of the ace specs, how they just whoop, all in your face, it feels like. Alright, well, go ahead and do a quick overview. Alright, we got the ace spec, the Mesprit, the Hydreigon, which is the highlight. Nice card. The Cyron, or whatever his name is. His name. And Archlodon EX. But yeah, I'd say it's pretty good for 12 packs. Pretty happy. Yeah. Catch you guys at Wednesday's video. Let me know in the comments how you've been doing, if you gotten lucky to even get any or not. And I'll catch you guys later.